right, so 2026 Grady-White Canyon 456. All right, it's the 45-foot. This thing is a beauty. Coming with the Yamaha XTO offshore. Quad 450s, if y'all can see that. Quad 450s. Quad 450s. Now, all right, I'm here with Ron. We checking out the 2026 Grady-White 456, right?
Yes, sir.
What size is this one, Ron?
45 feet.
45?
Yes, 45
So this
feet
the
long.
big boy. Look at this.
So, the thing you point out when you first get on Grady-White, it's the widest boat in the industry per foot, period. This one's 14 feet wide. 14 feet for an outboard power boat, that's like a sport fish type beam.
There you go. Look at that.
Now, this is a fish box or cooler. It's got freezer plates in here, so this is a refrigerator. You don't need ice. Coolest thing ever. No bags of ice bringing to the boat. Craziest thing.
Yeah, that's sweet.
All right. Now this boat
Save you some money there.
You can fish, okay? But it packs a punch for South Florida, for the Bahamas, for everything we do. Now this mezzanine seat here has a nice little footrest. When mom and dad come, you got little air conditioning vents here to keep them nice and cool.
Oh man, that's so sweet. AC on the outside.
Yeah, and shade, of course. Everywhere shade. Now watch this. As you go forward up here, I'm gonna avoid some people here. All right. And we'll get right to the good stuff. Like this just knocks it out of the park right
Let's
here.
do it.
Come on up here and stand right behind the steering wheel and just look forward.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
this is
Yeah, that view was
ridiculous.
crazy.
I mean, this is
Yep.
the protection. That pane of glass.
Yep.
I mean, this is what you want. Because, I mean, this is protecting you from wind, everything. Everything.
All the elements.
Incredible.
Yeah.
So, of course, we Mac Daddy the electronics, the Mac Daddy 24-inch screens, which is the biggest you can put.
You already know.
Now, next level is
Grady,
down here.
baby.
Next level. Here we go.
There we go, downstairs. Cabin time.
All right, you're down here, you want the Dolphins game on, you're chilling. This actually comes up into a nice table, so you can actually eat and stuff like that. But full bathroom, enclosed shower.
Check this out in here.
I mean, this is nice. I mean,
Oh, man,
ladies
check out this
love it.
bathroom.
They have
Yeah.
their privacy,
Yeah.
everything like that.
This is sweet.
But this cabin's big enough. Like, you know how it gets like some days a little rainstorm comes through?
Yeah.
Come down here,
there's
make a
your
little
shower.
lunch. I mean, it's
All
a
right.
real deal
And
here.
we could use that for some rod holders, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Got the microwave,
Yep, you got a microwave.
full kitchen.
Full kitchen, basically refrigerator, freezer, everything you got.
And we got
Everything
more.
you need.
We got more rod holders because we can't exclude the fact that we're gonna be fishing.
Are those rod holders?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, they are.
Why would you put them inside?
Because storage when you're going across to the Bahamas.
Oh.
So when
put
you
them
when you're in
there.
here, I'll do this, so you don't have to
Oh,
worry
I
about
see.
it.
Right,
Okay.
right, there you go.
You know, it's all about
Sorry,
Yeah,
I didn't
you're
know.
right.
I'm-
You're right.
You know, you better listen to her.
You better. Don't be like me. I learned the hard way.
Watch this though. Look at the steps coming up. How easy it is to get in and out. That's like huge when you're out in the water because you got to remember you're rocking and rolling.
Right.
Now the grand finale's up here. Check it. Check it. I mean, this is like the epitome of day boating.
Oh my God.
Now that's
Oh,
a table
my.
that goes up and down, okay? Now it obviously makes cushions, but look at this area here. You got multi-position backrests here. Beautiful lounge. You can just pile the people in, and it's got this beautiful
this.
shade. It's
Look at
a
this.
four-pole carbon fiber shade that goes all the way, that covers this whole bow area. It's absolutely majestic, but it's a Grady-White. It's the flagship.
Yeah, number
It's the
one, baby.
It's the
Number
one.
one.
I mean, you know, you come down and check it out.
Yeah.
And hey, it's Ron Lee's the Grady guy.
Ron
I'm
Lee's-
Mr. Boat 954 on Instagram.
There you go,
So
Mr.
now
Boat
you got me.
954.
You got the guy.
Give them your info, man. If you got anything else, so they can reach out to you, because that's the Grady guy. We
Yeah.
got the Grady guy here for you.
This is the Grady guy on YouTube, okay? Instagram, Mr. Boat _954. Check me out.
There you go. You check them out. Tell them Explore With Me
And we'll
sent
see
you.
you at the next International Boat Show in the 305 in February.
There you go. We'll be there in Miami, baby.
You know it.
Thanks a lot, Ron.
Yes, sir.
Grady guy, we out.
Yes, sir.
What a beauty. What a beauty. 456. Price time, baby. Price time. What a beauty. 1.8. You got it? Holla at my man Rod. Tell him Explore With Me sent you. He gonna take care of you. Look at that monster. Let's go.